Welcome to Dorman Products Differential Cover Installation video. Please review the video carefully before beginning work, as this procedure requires cutting and welding steel. We recommend removing the axle assembly from the vehicle first in order to more safely and accurately perform cutting and welding. Refer to an approved workshop manual for instructions on removing the rear axle from your specific vehicle. With the axle assembly off the vehicle, remove the axle shafts and differential from the rear axle housing, and then drain all gear lube. Note the orientation of the original differential cover before proceeding. Be sure the new cover is aligned properly to avoid interference with the differential ring gear. Using an electric or pneumatic cutoff wheel, carefully cut through the original differential cover around its circumference. With the cover removed, use an angle grinder to clean up the mating surface where the new cover will be installed. Thoroughly clean all cutting and grinding debris from the axle housing. Use a degreasing cleaner to remove any contaminants from the mating surface. Carefully position the new cover in place, being sure to orient it correctly. Using an appropriate welder, tack the new cap in position initially and then run a continuous bead weld around the circumference of the cover, making sure there are no gaps in the weld. Once the weld is cooled, clean the axle housing with a wire brush and pre-paint prep solvent. Apply self-etching primer to the welded area. Finish with a coat of chassis paint to prevent future corrosion. Reinstall the differential and axle shafts in the axle housing following the workshop manual procedure, and then install the reassembled axle back into the vehicle.